Hello, viewers. Greetings. Welcome to my channel. Exercise changing sentence affirmative to negative. Affirmative, only he can play good cricket. Negative, none but he can play good cricket. Affirmative, only the science students can apply for the post. Negative, none but the science students can apply for the post. Affirmative, only they can do the work. Negative, none but they can do the work. Affirmative, he is only 4. Negative, he is not more than 4. Affirmative, they have only 2 cars. Negative, they have not more than 2 cars. Affirmative, you must yield to your fate. Negative, you cannot but yield to your fate. Affirmative, we must obey our parents. Negative, we cannot but obey our parents. Affirmative, you must care them. Negative, you cannot help caring them. Affirmative, everyone hates a terrorist. Negative, there is no one but hates a terrorist. Affirmative, everybody fears a lion. Negative, there is nobody but hates a liar. Affirmative, as soon as he saw the tiger, he ran away. Negative, no sooner had he seen the tiger than he ran away. Affirmative, no sooner had the boy saw the police, he ran away. Negative, as soon as the boy seen the police then he ran away. Affirmative, he was always punctual. Negative, he was never late. Affirmative, I always tell truth. Negative, I never tell lie. Affirmative, he is the best batsman in the team. Negative, no other batsman in the team is as good as him. Affirmative, you are the best boy in the class. Negative, no other boy in the class is as good as you. Affirmative, he is better than any other boy in the class. Negative, no other boy in the class is as good as him. Affirmative, Dhaka is bigger than all other cities in Bangladesh. Negative, no other city in Bangladesh is as big as Dhaka. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe please.